Ah, American do. Tastes like America. You know what else sounds like America? This car, once we put an AWE exhaust on it. This is a Mustang 2025 GT Performance. It looks awesome, but it's gonna sound awesome. Let's get to it. So here's the AWE SwitchPath Exhaust. Now we've installed these SwitchPaths before on GM cars. This is the first time that we're doing it on a Mustang. So we're interested to see how it's gonna sound. Now the cool thing about this system that is slightly different than the GM version, like on a Cadillac or something like that, is they include the motors for the valves. So this is a valve system, you know, much like other valve systems that are sold on the market, but this is cool. I don't know how much I can say about how cool this is, other than the fact that you don't have to remove the factory motors off the valves and put them on here and worry about aligning the spring and everything like that. Like, it's literally there. You just hang the muffler, plug in the motor, and you're done. Why nobody else does that? I don't know. Maybe they do and we just haven't heard of them yet, but we need to get other companies on this. And obviously AWE also gives you something cool, which is hidden in this box. It's actually not in the box anymore, but it's a lollipop. The customer took it, he said he wanted it, unfortunately, you know. I guess he does have rights to it since he bought this exhaust, but I really wanted the lollipop, not gonna lie. Here's the thing, when I take these off, you're gonna see the fact that there are actually 2 spots for lollipops. Look at this. They actually put a cutout in their foam for a lollipop. That's where the pop goes, that's where you take it out. There's 2. AWE, why are we not including 2? One for the customer, one for the installer. Yo, what are we doing here?
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying, dude. Anyway, we're gonna get this exhaust started. We're gonna show you the underside of the car here and kind of show you where everything's gonna go, like this cool, neat little H pipe here with this resonated section, 2 mufflers, and we're gonna get to that here in just a second. All right, listen, Harry. I'm not doing this one today. You're gonna have to do it.
You gonna show me how to do it?
This is a Mustang, dude. I'm not used to Mustangs, man. Now, I'm all about GM Camaros, you know. This is different. This is not my wheelhouse. I don't feel confident on doing this exhaust.
I can do it.
You can do it?
Yeah, I can do it. It's hot right now, so best time to crack them loose.
It is. It's like, it's gonna be 100 degrees today.
Well, it already is, dude. I'm sweating right now. PB blaster on the hangers. We're gonna pop these suckers off real quick and get this thing down.
So while Harry is taking those off, the kit is going to start here. So we're gonna replace everything from this is the resonator, and this is where the H pipe is. So after that, they're gonna have their own resonators in this area and then their mufflers. But this isn't really, I mean, I guess it's technically a cat bag. You got this little section of pipe right here.
Hey, Justin, can you stop for a sec? Thanks. No, well, we're filming. All right, I'll remember that next time when you're filming.
Yeah, who cares about that car? So I guess we could technically call it like a cat back, you know what I'm saying? It's not an axle back because we have this whole center section here with the H pipe that's gonna be replaced. So pretty straightforward though. I think it's gonna be good. What do you think?
This guy's
Yeah, the guy over there that won't stop, even though we asked him to. Yeah, it's all right. It's okay. We'll get him back later, Harry, don't worry.
All right, we're unplugging the valves. Dude, it's so easy.
Your face. While we're waiting for the car to cool down because it's like 800 degrees.
Yeah, definitely easier than any GM car I've ever done.
Well, you're gonna transition, man.
No. You see the color of this car, bro?
That's what I'm saying, you're gonna transition.
No. Get these little joints out. Bingo. One more. Ready? Get this on clip. Ooh. Ready? Ready? Bingo! It's out.
Well, now that we have this unplugged, you know what the next step is.
Yeah, I know, but
we gotta go steal some tools.
Yeah, but do we apologize first?
No, you just gotta do what I did last video. All right, now we got that unbolted. I gotta go take these exhaust hangers off and I gotta go steal Justin's hanger tool. What's that over there? I don't think he noticed.
This time it might not go. I just want to try and be sneaky.
If you just go, he's on the phone, so he's not even gonna notice.
That's true, he's on the phone.
Just go.
Jamie, this is work hours. You should not be calling him right now.
Go steal his tool.
All right.
I'm gonna stand back here and scope it out. Yep.
You okay? What? Because I'm about to steal your tool. I just want to make sure if you're okay. Your hanger tool. Oh my God. Yeah, I got it. He didn't even notice. All right, first off, let's get this 13 down from, I'm not gonna take the back hangers out first because that'll just drop on my head. So let's not do that. But I'm gonna take these 13s out from the hangers in the middle. So I don't feel like trying to get the hanger tool up in there. I'm just gonna pop that 13 off and the whole bracket will come down. Clutch jump as always. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Nick, it's ready to come down, baby.
Perfect. Here it comes. Just like that. Done. All right, now that it's off, it's time for a celebration.
George
American
Washington.
Dew. That's right.
Tastes like freedom.
Chug, 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 chug. America, America, America. Now that we both have full cans of Mountain Dew on us, this is the power of Dew. You ready for it, Harry? The power of Dew. Done. That was easy, Harry. Wow, look at that. Just try to tighten him down. Oh, we're in a wind tunnel, dude. Just so the viewers know, we're working in 100-degree heat without a fan when we're talking, and every time we're not, we turn that back on. Sweating for the audio quality.
Audio quality, bro.
Ah, this H pipe, man, here it comes. This hell yeah pipe. We're gonna tweak everything. Harry's gonna tighten the clamps down. We're gonna go from the front to the back, and then we'll do the tips. Tip,
Yeah,
tip, 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 tip. All right, look at that right there, Harry. Adjusted, tightened, looking good.
It's looking like $1,000,000.
Just gotta torque the clamps to spec, but we have to get the tips on and then really see and do some fine adjustment there. But it looks like we have a good starting point, so yeah, we gotta plug them in, dude.
Obviously.
I still can't get over the fact that those motors come on. I mean, it's not crazy. It's not a crazy concept. It's like literally what should be done.
The one thing we're gonna have to be sure of is getting these out of the way. They're gonna have to be zip tied up like that.
Well, that's what these zip ties are here for, Harry. They gave us zip ties to tie that harness wire out of the way. Look at that. All right, Harry, first tip test.
I don't know.
Looks like it needs, the exhaust needs to get just kicked out this way. It's a little closer on the left than it is the right, it looks like.
You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to actually get the tips mounted.
But dude, they are level. That is level.
Dude,
like
AWE does a crazy good job.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, we're definitely closer on that side, actually touching the. That's all right, we can move it. We have adjustment there. All right, Harry, final adjustment here.
Can they even hear me, dude? The wind.
The wind, dude. You're like freaking, you're on the top of a mountain, dude. Put this exhaust on. That looks good. You can just see the AWE logo. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Good?
Yep. They're both even, but they're still inside the rear diffuser. Well, Harry, you done good.
You done good,
It must have been that Dew.
It was that Dew.
It was, dude.
It's that American Dew. Let's let freedom ring.
All right, so we should do the first start now, Harry, that we got the exhaust all on. What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah? Did you eat your lollipop during this exhaust? Because you still have it, don't you?
Now you guys show
Oh, dude, you gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. Look at that. You got the sour apple. They can do a celebratory lollipop after the first start. That's what we're gonna do. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely a lot like deeper, right?
Oh yeah. That's literally what I was looking for.
Matt, go to quiet, and you can actually see like there they are.
Oh,
They just
that's
closed.
interesting, dude.
Isn't
Wow.
that crazy?
Yeah. Wow.
Open, closed, but you still have like a deep tone to it when it's closed like that, which is kind of cool. And AWE does that, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give it a little rev, Matt.
That's quiet.
And that's quiet mode too.
That's nice. That
Sounds
is
good
nice.
and quiet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, that has character.
Dude, that's nice.
Oh.
That's it, dude.
That's it. Give another rev, Matt.
Dude, that's perfect.
So we'll pull it outside.
Oh boy. What are you doing? You're driving?
Let's see how he liked it from the exterior, since like you never really get to hear your own car outside because you're always driving it. So that's what he's gonna do.
All right, we're gonna get the reaction.
Oh, that sounds good.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah.
And that was loud.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can
that
definitely
sounds rowdy.
hear that.
Yeah, that sounds rowdy.
Don't even say it.
You look really good in this. You should do it.
Do what?
Disappoint Andrew.
Get disappointed. I drove Camaros all my life, but now I'm a Mustang guy.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it sounds good. I'm used to LT and LS's, so this is different for me. This is a new experience for me. It's been a good one though. That's the thing. I'm not sure what GM is thinking, you know, when they just decided to discontinue the Camaro, but this is what the 6th gen Camaro could have looked like if it had a refresh, or even the 7th gen. Hopefully they have one. This big screen, nice. Look at this. Look how wide this is. I mean, looks great. It tastes like America, and this car now sounds like America. So if you want your car to sound like America, go to CSPRacing.com, because we got all the exhaust you ever want to make your car sound just as good as that drink tastes. Now I got to clean this up, because we don't litter in America. That's not good. But you know what is good? Do.